Until my Christmas tree goes up on November 1st, I'm making pumpkin everything, and these pumpkin cinnamon rolls might be the best thing I've ever baked, other than my little helper here, of course. Scoop it out and put it in the bowl for Mommy. I'll leave the full recipe in the description. First, mix the milk, pumpkin puree, sourdough starter, and sugar. We'll do a big scoop. Whoa! I don't need it. I used maple sugar, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Can you do that? Wow. Good job. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Hi. Once that's mixed well, add your flour and salt. And now we gotta dump it. And dump it in. Hold the salt with 2 hands. Oh, over the bowl. Okay. Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar. Oh, sugar. Sugar. Can you draw a picture in the salt? Mix that in as well as you can before kneading in the butter a little at a time. The butter will help pull together any dryness in the dough. Knead it until the butter is evenly distributed and the dough isn't greasy anymore. I gotta put the butter in the dough. Butter in the dough. Now we leave it right there. Yeah. Cover the dough and let it rest for an hour before kneading it another 5 to 10 minutes. It'll feel smooth and elastic. You can't do this part because you will eat the dough. Cover the dough again and let it rise until it's doubled. We can see how much. Once it doubled, I threw it in the fridge overnight to cold proof, but that step is optional. The next morning, I made the filling mixture. It's just brown sugar with a couple teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. I'll leave the pie spice recipe in the description as well. Next, you'll roll the dough out to a rectangle on a floured surface. It should be about 10 inches by 18 to 20 inches. Spread softened butter all over and then top with the filling mixture. Hi, baby. Roll it lengthwise into a log and cut it into 12 equal pieces. Place them in a buttered or parchment-lined baking pan. Cover them and let them rise again until they're puffy and touching. If you didn't cold proof, this will take 2 to 4 hours. If you did cold proof, it'll take longer because you're starting with cold dough. Preheat your oven to 425 and cover the rolls in warm cream and bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until the internal temperature hits about 190. While those are baking, you can whip up your cream cheese glaze with cream cheese, butter, milk, and icing sugar. Spread the glaze all over the warm rolls and get ready to dig in. Cinnamon.
Stop.
Can you say pumpkin rolls?
Puppy.
Can you say cinnamon?
Stop. I
Oh, sugar. These are so fluffy and gooey and just the epitome of fall in carb form.
Hot, hot, hot.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Whoa.